Well, it seems that manipulating text in FreeCAD is becoming easier. I say this because I recently came across a new command in the Sketcher workbench of FreeCAD 1.2, and that tool is very useful. Before I show you the tool, it is important that you understand that this command is not yet available in the current stable version of FreeCAD. You can only find this tool in FreeCAD 1.2, which for now is still a development version. The name of the command is text. To find it, you can start by creating a document in the Paradigm workbench. Once you have a body ready, create a sketch by clicking the new sketch icon and attach the sketch on the XY plane. Now we're on the Sketcher workbench and the text tool is this one here. Using this command is very simple. Just click on its icon and add the text to the sketch. To change the text, you need to double click to open the small window. The text will be 3D view and the font I will set it to Arial bold. Here at the bottom of the font we have the type of text constraint, height or width you decide, and OK. In this sketch, as you can see, we have 2 degrees of freedom. We can apply constraints to the text using the commands available in the Sketcher Constraints toolbar. So let's select the dimension tool and set the width of the construction line to 100 millimeters and the distance from this line to the x-axis to 2 millimeters. To finish, we can apply a symmetry constraint on this construction line. Now we can close the sketch. Next, we create an extrusion using the pad command. Just select the sketch and click on the pad command icon. I think 5 millimeters is enough for the length of this extrusion, and OK. And here we have the 3D text. The good thing about all of this is that the text is parametric. Just change something in the sketch and the 3D text will automatically update. Okay, let's try making a revolve of that sketch. First of all, select the sketch inside the pad feature in the tree view and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Click Use Original Selection and then press Ctrl+V to paste the sketch into this document. Now let's select the sketch and press spacebar to make it visible in the 3D view, and next let's drag the sketch into the body object. Okay, in this sketch we will make some change to its attachment plane. So select the sketch, right click and choose Edit Attachment. Let's apply a 45 millimeters offset on the y-axis in the negative direction, and then let's close the task panel. Next, let's open the sketch, double click on it. Let's change the distance to 15 millimeters. Double click and change it to 15 millimeters. Next, let's add the horizontal construction line on the x-axis. The idea is to use this construction line as the axis for the revolve feature. So let's close the sketch. And now let's select the sketch and click revolve. Let's set the angle to 45 degrees on the task panel, and next we can change the axis to construction line 2, and that's it. As you can see, here we have the 3D text and it is parametric. So if we change anything in the sketch, the text will be updated.